Everyone, in today's video we will see Beats Solo Pro not charging and how to fix. Reset the headphones. To reset the headphones, follow these steps. Locate the mode button and volume down button on the left ear cup. Press and hold both buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds or until the LED light flashes red. Release the buttons and the headphone will reset. 2. Try different power sources and cables. If the headphones still do not charge, try using a different power source or charging cable. Sometimes the charging cable or power source may be faulty, using the headphones not to charge. Try using a different USB power source such as a laptop, computer or a different wall adapter. Use a different charging cable that is compatible with the headphones. 3. Inspect for physical damage. Check for any physical damage to the headphones or charging port that may be hindering the charging process. Check for any debris and dirt in the charging port. Inspect the charging port for any signs of damage such as bent or broken pins. Check the headphones for any physical damage such as crack and dents. 4. Contact Beats support. If the headphones still do not charge, consider reaching out to Beats support for further assistance. They can diagnose the issue and suggest the best course of action, which may include repairing or replacing the headphones. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like it and share it with your friends. For more such helpful videos, subscribe to our channel.